Hello, welcome back to another Filipino grammar lesson here on Talk to Me in Tagalog. In this video, you will learn how to use the very common helping verb maging. Maging. Maging in English means to be or become. Maging is usually placed before a noun or an adjective. It is used to express the speaker's or the subject's desire or intention to change from one state or condition to another. Here are some examples of maging plus noun. Maging abogado. Abogado means lawyer, so maging abogado is to become a lawyer or to be a lawyer. Next is maging Pilipino, meaning to become a Filipino citizen. Then we have maging Pangulo. Pangulo is president, so maging Pangulo means to be a president. Let's use maging with an adjective. Maging mayaman. Mayaman means rich, so maging mayaman is to become rich or to be rich. Maging masipag, to be hardworking. And maging mabait, to be kind. Maging as a verb has 5 forms as shown in our example phrases. First is the infinitive form, like maging magalang, meaning to be polite or to be respectful. Second is the imperative form, which is used when giving instructions. It has the same form as the infinitive, maging magalang, which translates into be polite or be respectful. And since maging is a verb, it has a past aspect. Simply change M to N, so maging will become naging. Naging. Example, naging magalang. Naging magalang, meaning became polite. To form the present tense of maging, just repeat the second syllable of naging so it will become nagiging. Nagiging, which translates into becoming or become. Example, nagiging magalang, becoming polite or become polite. The last one is the future form. Just repeat the second syllable of maging and it will become magiging. Magiging. Example, magiging magalang, meaning will become polite. Let's now study some example sentences using the Tagalog verb maging and its different inflections. Our first sentence is, pareho silang naging guro. Pareho silang naging guro, meaning they both became teachers. They both became teachers. Next, lalong nagiging matindi ang sakit. Lalong nagiging matindi ang sakit. The pain is becoming more intense. The pain is becoming more intense. Gusto kong maging piloto. Gusto kong maging piloto. I want to be a pilot. I want to be a pilot. Medyo naging sikat ang aktor. Medyo naging sikat ang aktor. The actor has become quite famous. The actor has become quite famous. Naging interesado kami sa lupa noong nakaraang taon. Naging interesado kami sa lupa noong nakaraang taon. We became interested in the land last year. We became interested in the land last year. Nagiging tahimik na ang probinsya namin. Nagiging tahimik na ang probinsya namin. Our province is becoming quiet now. Our province is becoming quiet now. Kailangang maging malusog ang lahat ng mga bata. Kailangang maging malusog ang lahat ng mga bata. All children need to be healthy. All children need to be healthy. Ayaw mo bang maging doktor? Ayaw mo bang maging doktor? Don't you want to become a doctor? Don't you want to become a doctor? Dapat maging magalang tayo sa mga nakatatanda. Dapat maging magalang tayo sa mga nakatatanda. We should be polite to the elderly. We should be polite to the elderly. Magiging mayaman din ako balang araw. Magiging mayaman din ako balang araw. I will also become rich someday. I'll also become rich someday. Naging magkaibigan sila noon sa kolehiyo. Naging magkaibigan sila noon sa kolehiyo. They became friends in college. They became friends in college. Nagiging paru-paro ang mga uod. Nagiging paru-paro ang mga uod. Caterpillars become butterflies. Caterpillars become butterflies. Naging totoo na ang pangarap niya. Naging totoo na ang pangarap niya. His dream has become a reality. His dream has become a reality. Naging tomador siya sa murang edad. Tomador is a Filipino slang meaning heavy drinker or an alcoholic. Naging tomador siya sa murang edad. He became an alcoholic at an early age. He became an alcoholic at an early age. Naging pabigat ang mga problema niya sa pamilya niya. Naging pabigat ang mga problema niya sa pamilya niya. His problems have become a burden to his family. His problems have become a burden to his family. Naging American citizen siya noong isang buwan. Naging American citizen siya noong isang buwan. He became an American citizen last month. He became an American citizen last month. Bakit gusto mong maging tubero? Bakit gusto mong maging tubero? Why do you want to become a plumber? Why do you want to become a plumber? Anong klaseng gusali yon bago naging museo? Anong klaseng gusali yon bago naging museo? What sort of building was it before it became a museum? What sort of building was it before it became a museum? Magiging 15 anyos na ang bunso namin sa isang linggo. Bunso is the youngest member of the family. Magiging 15 anyos na ang bunso namin sa isang linggo. Our youngest will become 15 years old next week. Our youngest will become 15 years old next week. Malapit nang maging tatay si Zeus. Malapit nang maging tatay si Zeus. Zeus will soon become a father. Zeus will soon become a father.